Welcome to the Story Scholar. Today, we're journeying through the heart of India's capital, Delhi, to experience its rich tapestry of history, culture, and daily life. The day begins just as the first light of dawn breaks over Delhi. In the soft morning glow, India Gate stands tall and proud, a sentinel over the quiet streets. Early risers gather around the War Memorial, some starting their morning jogs, while others enjoy the cool air and calm atmosphere before the city comes alive. Families stroll together, while friends share moments of laughter. Beneath the arch, visitors pause, feeling the quiet power of the monument as a tribute to India's fallen soldiers. For a fleeting hour, Delhi is silent, holding its breath before the day rushes in. As the morning unfolds, the heart of the city, Connaught Place, bursts into action. Known to locals as CP, this circular market space, with its stately, white colonial buildings and tree-lined paths, fills up with people on their way to work. The air is thick with the aroma of fresh coffee and chai from the many roadside stalls. Office-goers, students, and tourists weave in and out of the shops, while street vendors set up their carts for another busy day. There's an energy in CP that is both timeless and dynamic, a perfect blend of old Delhi charm and new city hustle. By noon, the lively streets of Chandni Chowk call out with the promise of mouth-watering street food. Narrow lanes are packed with people savoring the city's iconic dishes: crispy parathas, spicy chaat, and syrupy jalebis that sizzle in huge iron pans. Locals and tourists alike indulge in this culinary adventure, standing side by side as they relish the irresistible flavors that Chandni Chowk is known for. The vendors, skilled and quick, move effortlessly, serving hundreds of people as the crowd pulses around them, captivated by the smell and taste of Delhi's soul. As the afternoon sun casts long shadows, the towering presence of Jama Masjid draws us in. Built by Emperor Shah Jahan, this majestic mosque is a place of peace and prayer. The soft call to prayer echoes, bringing a sense of calm amidst the city's ever-present activity. Visitors climb the mosque's high steps, taking in a panoramic view of Old Delhi, a place where history feels close enough to touch. The contrast is striking. Old temples and havelis stand alongside modern buildings, each a chapter in the city's living history. Evening brings us south to Hauz Khas village, where modern cafes and art galleries are nestled around the ancient Hauz Khas fort. Young people gather here, sipping coffee, chatting, and taking photos by the lake. Artists display their latest creations, and musicians play live, filling the air with vibrant sounds. The fort and lake offer a peaceful retreat from the buzz, their centuries-old stones whispering stories from a time long past. The mix of tradition and modernity is striking. Here, history and the present live side by side. Night falls, and we head to Sarojini Nagar, a market that pulses with life under neon lights. Shoppers from all backgrounds fill the bustling market, hunting for bargains on clothes, accessories, and everything in between. Vendors call out to passers-by, offering deals in a symphony of voices and gestures. There's an electricity in the air as friends and families, students and professionals, lose themselves in the thrill of shopping. Sarojini Nagar is a world in itself, where each stall tells a story of the city's diversity and charm. Our day in Delhi winds down at the India Habitat Center. Known for its art galleries, theaters, and cultural events, it draws in an eclectic crowd of artists, intellectuals, and thinkers. Late into the night, conversations unfold over hot cups of coffee as the sounds of classical music play in the background. Exhibitions, movie screenings, and art discussions create a space for reflection and creativity, giving the city a thoughtful end to a day filled with movement and life. Thank you for joining us on this day-long journey through Delhi. If you enjoyed this glimpse into the city's life, don't forget to subscribe to The Story Scholar and join us on more journeys through culture, history, and human stories.